Hello everyone, this is Team 9. Last week we presented you about the history of design. This week we will talk about the facade and solution. This is a defect about exterior wall of Guangzhou Opera House. For architects, in order to achieve a good building, in addition to finding a solution that is more suitable for this time, and this place among countless possible solutions. How can the design drawings be better? The transformation of Earth into real architecture is also a very complicated matter. In addition to architects, the realization of building in the country also involves relevant government departments, owners, construction parts, and supervisors. Therefore, in addition to efforts of architects, the realization of a good work requires the sincere cooperation of all parts, and sometimes even some luck. What is the image of the Grand Theater in reality? To be honest, it is difficult to take a photograph that can be seen past searching from the internet. In addition to the night scenery that conceals the truth, it is also basically unable to find any day view photos. From a distance, you can feel the unusualness of the building, but always feel something is wrong. Is it too dirty, too rough? Then what? The gap between the window frame and the slate curtain wall is different, and some covered window frames are simple and rough, or even directly cut and spliced in straight lines. The triangular slat has no connection at the turning point, and even a small patch-like strap appears. The slabs of triangles should be said to be able to adapt to more alien blocks, but it may be a nightmare of blocks with irregular arcs. Compare the spatial-shaped building with thin metal skin and GRC4.
Next is the reason and solution for this phenomenon. China pursues high speed when dealing with major construction projects, but it is often hasty. Another example is that the facade of the building is made of 75,000 granite stones in a streamlined shape. Because many of them are low quality, the stoneworks are now being completely updated. The construction party said the quality problem of the building is not the design, but that we have not fully considered the complexity of the design before starting construction. It was added that no construction unit or architect would frankly say that the submitted architectural plan was perfect without assurance of quality. According to the government, the quality problem was caused by the humid climate in Guangzhou, and the cracks were caused by normal shrinkage. The approved preliminary design estimate is 1.38 billion, and in the end it did not exceed. The theater is one of the most complex types of building, with high technical content, involving a lot of professional jobs. Many people are measured by the cost of ordinary buildings, which is completely incomparable. This 850 million is the requirement in the original plan competition textbook. Some design content is not included. On some major projects, it is possible to formulate a new budget estimate because of the adjustment of functions and scale, and the improvement of standards. In order to control the budget, the agent also requested to simplify the design of some places. For example, the outer curtain was reduced from 2 layers of glass to 1 layer of glass.